I'm Gary Bruce, I work for ACT and I'm a trainee sales area manager.
I'm Sally Bays, I work for BATA and I'm area sales manager.
My name's Scott Carter and I work for Mile Valley Farmers as a trainee feeds specialist.
I decided to come on the course to improve my knowledge in the area. I felt when I was going out on farm I was lacking in confidence, and by doing this course it gave me extra confidence.
Previous study was in equine science degree, and I'm now working in agriculture, so I'm moving on to ruminant side from that. I've come on the course to increase my knowledge of the ruminant feed industry and hopefully develop a career with it.
I did my undergraduate degree in animal science, and I wanted to further develop my knowledge in nutrition specifically, so I had a look around, and this is a brand new course and it's the only one in the country.
I found that the workshops they've been quite hard. They've made me think a lot. My favourite part of them would be dissection that we've been doing today. It teaches you that what you're learning in the theory, and then you see it in practice, and it's actually true what you're reading in the books.
I found the course really good and really useful, a good level of practical and theory, and the best part is probably going on the farm visits.
I came up for an open day and had a look, and it seemed like quite a good course. Half the time spent in the classroom, and then linking that with out on farm practicals, and then in the lab as well, so sort of looking at the theory and then putting it into practice. My favourite part's been sort of the farm visits and just seeing the different systems and relating the theory work that we learn in the classroom to what people are putting into practice actually commercially.
I will use the skills I've learned to advise the farmers as best as possible so that they get the best advice, and we can have a better relationship that way.
I'll utilise the skills in being able to advise better for ruminant diets.
So I'm a trainee nutritionist, so I do a lot of rationing for dairy cows, and it's just sort of using all the latest sort of research to push forwards and sort of stand out against the competition.